Hello everyone, is your car struggling to shift into fifth gear? Noticing RPM fluctuations, slipping gears, or delayed shifting? If your OBD-II scanner has shown the P0735 error code, Gear 5 incorrect ratio, it means your transmission isn't shifting properly into fifth gear. In this video, I'll explain what P0735 means, its symptoms, and, most importantly, where to locate the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0735 trouble code is triggered when the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects that the actual gear ratio in fifth gear doesn't match the expected ratio. Ignoring this issue can lead to serious transmission damage, poor fuel efficiency, and expensive repairs. Common symptoms of P0735: hard or delayed shifting into fifth gear. Transmission, slipping between fourth and sixth gear. Loss of power and acceleration issues. Check engine, light on limp mode activation, stuck in one gear. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the key components responsible for the issue. To diagnose P0735, check these critical components. Transmission Input Speed Sensor, ISS sensor. Location, mounted on the transmission case near the input shaft or bell housing. Function, measures input shaft speed to help the PCM determine shift timing. Transmission output, speed sensor, OSS sensor. Location, near the transmission output shaft, typically at the end of the transmission housing. Function, tracks vehicle speed and helps the PCM calculate gear ratios. Fifth gear shift, solenoid, SS5. Location, inside the transmission, mounted on the valve body. Function, controls hydraulic pressure for engaging fifth gear. Transmission Control Module, TCM, or Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, usually under the hood near the battery or firewall. Function, receives data from sensors and controls shifting. Transmission fluid and valve body location, inside the transmission pan, under the vehicle. Function, regulates hydraulic pressure for smooth gear shifts. Wiring and connectors location, between the ISS sensor, OSS sensor, shift solenoids, and PCM. Function, transmits crucial data. Damaged wiring can cause incorrect readings. Common causes of P0735: faulty transmission input speed sensor. Incorrect input speed disrupts shifting. Defective transmission output speed sensor PCM miscalculates gear ratios. Malfunctioning fifth gear shift solenoid prevents smooth gear changes. Low or contaminated transmission fluid. Dirty fluid affects gear engagement. Worn or damaged transmission components. Issues with clutch packs, bands, or torque converter. PCM or TCM malfunction. Incorrect gear ratio calculations due to faulty software or hardware. Broken or corroded wiring, disrupted communication between sensors and control modules. How to fix P0735. Step 1. Check transmission fluid level. If it's low or dirty, replace it with fresh ATF. Step 2. Inspect the ISS and OSS sensors. Check for damage or loose connections. Step 3. Test sensor voltage. Use a multimeter to check sensor readings. If faulty, replace the sensor. Step 4. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for corrosion, loose connections, or frayed wires. Step 5. Check the fifth gear shift solenoid. If it's bad, replace it. Step 6. Inspect the valve body and transmission internals. If clutch packs or bands are worn, a rebuild may be needed. Step 7. Reprogram or replace PCM/TCM. If all else fails, PCM reprogramming or replacement might be needed. Step 8. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and monitor shifting performance. Final words. Ignoring P0735 can lead to severe transmission damage and costly repairs. Fixing it early ensures a smoother and safer drive. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0726. Engine speed input circuit range performance. P0727. Engine speed input circuit no signal. Like, share, and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.